What's up, good people? How you doing? I'm going to try to keep this one brief. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. You guys already know to hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, hit the like button, keeps me alive. Let's talk about crypto, okay? I believe that crypto is trading sideways simply because a lot of people are kind of waiting on the sidelines to see what crypto is going to do, right? I'm one of them. Another thing is a lot of the AMC holders, which I am one of them, we are crypto buyers. Most AMC holders are crypto buyers also. And so some people, took all of their money out of crypto and put it into AMC. There's a lot of people that I've talked to that have done that. And they're waiting on the short squeeze to happen, and then they're going to go back to crypto. Now, having said that, I believe that crypto, if you're watching this on a Saturday, this is very time sensitive from what I'm about to say. I generally don't look at crypto until Sunday night. I mean, I look at it, but I don't make a move. Crypto has a way of doing stuff between Saturday and Sunday night, really. And then Monday, it moves the other direction. Whichever direction it's going, it makes the other way. But right now, I'm still not thinking that the coast is clear. I only buy crypto when it tanks around the prices that it is now. So here's what I would say about buying dips in crypto right now. I would not go in heavy. I literally would split my money up into 3 parts. I know you guys hear this all of the time, but it's the safest thing to do. As a matter of fact, I'll just tell you, Cardano, at this point, because it keeps finding new floors, I'm looking to buy Cardano at $1. Remember, my Cardano, my ADA, my buy-in price, my average is $1.11. All right. And it is the biggest part of my crypto portfolio is Cardano. And I have a lot of Cardano, right? Because it's the one I'm the most bullish on. And then you have Ethereum. I'm not buying any Ethereum until it reaches the 1700s. When it reaches $1,700, that's when I buy it. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, I'm not buying any of it. So those are the only two that I'm looking at this point. And remember, you have to think about if winter comes, will you be cool at these prices? So if you bought Cardano over $2, then your exit strategy is totally different than buying. Your exit strategy should be totally different because of your price point. All right. So let's think about this. The Chinese crackdown made a lot of people uneasy, right? A lot of people became uneasy because of the Chinese crackdown. When in fact, the Chinese crackdown is actually it's a blessing for crypto because you have a decentralized currency. Let's just call it currency because it's cryptocurrency. You have a decentralized currency run by, being mined in a centralized country. Think about that. Now that they're going to other countries, they're actually going to have better hash rates. So the hash rates are going to come down. And it's going to be a greener process because of what these countries are going to make them do. So they're going to produce it. These Bitcoin miners, they're going to produce it in a greener way, using less energy, and the hash rate will go down. So, and they won't have the Chinese government doing these crackdowns. So it's actually going to be a win-win for crypto. So I do believe, like I forestated, that cryptocurrency right now is going to go lower than where it is right now. I looked at Cardano a little while ago, and it was at $1.11. I'm waiting on it to come down to $1. Okay, that's my buy-in price. Ethereum, I may buy some more, but I'm waiting on it to at least get down, in the 1700s, maybe 17. And that's where I'll be looking to buy it. All right. So that's what was kind of going on with what I think was happening with crypto. Now, having said all of that, I actually think crypto will go through another bull run before winter hits. There's a few other things that are positive catalysts still to come for crypto. You got Cardano smart contracts. They're coming in August. Ethereum, the upgrade will be August 4th, right? You got the XRP lawsuit. Soon it will be over. I personally believe that XRP is going to win. And then I believe that that price is going to just shoot up because it's been held back so long. And then you have the adoption of Bitcoin by El Salvador, making it a major currency. All right. All of those things are positive catalysts for Bitcoin and for crypto. But just think if they all just happen, bang, 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 crypto will just pop. All right. But be patient and let it come to you. So remember, I only buy crypto, not when it dips, but when it tanks. That's the only time I buy it. And if winter catches me, then I'm good with it. So I got crypto for long term. So think about that as you buying crypto. And if you're thinking about buying these dips, I would not, NOT, go all the way in. That is just my suggestion. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. You got to do your own research and due diligence. If the stock market does go through a crash, crypto is going to go through a crash also. If you don't believe me, go back to 2020. All right. Go back to March of 2020. Look at crypto and look at the stock market. They both tanked. Right. And then they both came back. Right. But I believe it's going to be different this time. I believe that if the stock market crashes before the winter of crypto comes. If the stock market crashes, it is going to take crypto down with it because fear. People want their money in their possession, meaning in the bank or wherever, when the stock market is crashing, right? And then there'll be rotation. People start buying different stock. Then I believe that a lot of new investors will be done with the stock market and they're going to put their money back into crypto. And I believe crypto is still going to win in the long run. That's just what I think. Remember, everything is tied to everything. Everything is, you don't think it may affect this, may affect that, but it's all tied. Over 25 years of doing this, I've seen it. And though this is a new currency, crypto, 10 years old, still baby. It's a baby currency, but there is major adoption. And then when the Chinese crackdown came, you had major institutions fleeing it, but you also have major institutions buying back in now. Hey, I want to thank everybody that's joining me on my Instagram page. It's my personal page. I'm going to be doing a lot of inspirational stuff over there. Please join me. But I must say this. Y'all know this is not me, right? Clearly you could see that that's not me. I mean, whoever this dude is, he could have at least used somebody with a darker pigmentation to his skin. And then he got the nerve to use my logo. So it is not me. The dude got almost 10,000 subscribers using my name. And I do not have a Twitter account. And so if anybody tweets you, it's not me, it's fake. This dude is fake. All right. But just click the link. I'll leave a link in the description. All right. And then you guys can just join me over at my Instagram page and let's see what becomes of that. All right. I'm going to leave it right there. You guys know about the Webull link below. Right behind this video, I'm going to show a video on how to use the Webull link. Deposit $100, deposit $5 now, and get 2 free stock worth up to $2,500. And they do offer fractional shares. And if you use my link below, it helps the page out. All right, good people, have a blessed weekend. We'll see you later.